Welcome, mamas, to Slow Down with Kirsten 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 7. It is all about cleansing. In this session, we'll focus on poses that help release physical tension and toxins, while also letting go of emotional stress and mental clutter. Think of this practice as a little weekly detox. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. And subscribe to the channel to stay connected and receive more supportive prenatal yoga sessions. Let's start on the ground in child's pose. Bringing knees as wide as your mat, big toes to touch, and gently crawling your hands forward, resting your chest and forehead on the mat. This fold gently compresses your abdomen, supporting digestive health and helping to release built-up tension in your lower back. Gently flow with the natural rhythm of your breath. Begin to walk your hands over to the right side of your mat for a gentle side body stretch. Inhale, walk your hands over to the other side. Coming up into your hands and knees, keeping your knees and feet where they are, gently begin to do hip circles in one direction. In this motion, we are improving blood circulation in your body. With all the extra fluids inside your body, it takes a little bit more strength to pump everything through your body. It is also important to loosen up those pelvic and hip joints. Switch to the opposite direction. Coming into all fours, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. We're going to do a gentle wrist stretch. Begin to turn your wrists all the way out, eventually pointing your fingers back towards your knees. Inhale gently, and exhale, lean back slowly. Remember to be mindful of the hormone relaxant in your body. You don't want to overstretch. Oftentimes, we forget to stretch the more subtle parts of our body, like our ankles, our wrists, our hands, our fingers. However, they're just as important as the main parts of our bodies. Coming back into all fours, begin to walk your hands forward a few inches. Coming into upright pigeon pose, bring your right calf parallel to the front of your mat. Right knee directly behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg long out behind you straight. Begin to square your hips on an inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold over. I like to use my forearms for support and rest my forehead on my thumbs. In this pose, feel the gentle stretch in your hips, cleansing and releasing any tension held there. This pose stimulates blood flow to the pelvic region, aiding in the removal of toxins and promoting reproductive health. On an inhale, walk your hands up. Switching sides. This time, bring your left calf parallel to the front of your mat. Right leg extended out long behind you. Square your hips on an inhale. Press your hands into the mat and lengthen your spine. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale, fold over. In this hold, and with your breath, clear your mind of any negative thoughts, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. On an inhale, bring in clarity. And with each breath out, release any mental clutter. You can even imagine a gentle breeze sweeping away that mental clutter, leaving your mind refreshed and clear. Remember, as your body relaxes, your mind will follow. Inhale, walk your hands back up, coming into all fours. Coming to a seated pose, staff bent knees. We'll come into half saddle. Extend your left leg long and bring your right heel near your glutes. Inhale, lengthen your spine, raise hands up overhead. And exhale, begin to walk your hands back for reclined half saddle. Feel the opening in your quad, in your hips, and the release in your low back as you support yourself on your forearms. Inhale, come back up. Coming into revolved Janu Shasana. Place your left forearm down next to your left calf, bringing right arm up overhead. Feel the gentle side body stretch. Allow this twist to gently wring out any stress or negativity, cleansing your body and mind. This pose helps to massage your internal organs, promoting better digestion and aiding in detoxification. Inhale, walk yourself back up, switching sides. Extend your right leg long, left heel next to your glute, bending your knee. Exhale, walk your hands back, coming down onto your forearms for reclined half saddle. Gently breathe here. Inhale, walk your hands back up, opening your hips slightly with your knee. Place right forearm down next to your right calf. Inhale, left arm up overhead for revolved Janu Shasana. Feel the refreshing energy flowing through you, renewing your body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep inhale in. With each breath, you are allowing a new, revitalizing energy to flow through you. Inhale, walk your hands back up, coming into bound angle pose. Soles of the feet together. Inhale, sit up tall. As you sit in stillness, place your hands on your belly, connecting with the beautiful life inside you. Take a moment to appreciate all that your body is doing. On an exhale, walk your hands forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, walk your hands over to the right for a gentle side body stretch. Feel the opening in your pelvis and your outer hip. Inhale, walk your hands over to the opposite side and fold. Breathe into your hips here. Inhale, come back to center and gently walk your hands back up. Coming into a figure 4 hip opener stretch. Place right ankle above left knee. And place the sole of your left foot onto your mat. Hands back behind you. You can gently use one of your hands to push your right knee further away from you, opening up each hip. Switch sides. Left ankle above right knee. Right sole of the foot to your mat. Exhale, release this pose. Place both soles of the feet down on the mat in front of you, hands back behind you. Come into reverse tabletop. Engage your legs and your glutes, and gently lift up off the floor. Hold for a few moments. Exhale, release. Coming into our final resting pose, Savasana. Feel free to get really comfortable here. Grab a pillow, a blanket for between your legs and underneath your neck for added support. Place your hand on your belly to connect with your beautiful baby. As you hold this final resting pose, imagine your spirit being cleansed and renewed with each revitalizing breath, deepening your connection with your baby. Coming back to your practice, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. With your eyes closed, come back up into a seated position. Placing hands on your belly. Take a deep cleansing breath in and a deep cleansing breath out. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to third eye in Anjali Mudra. Namaste. If you felt a sense of renewal from this practice, please like this video. Remember, this is a 30-day prenatal yoga journey. You're not going to want to miss the next video. Share your thoughts and feelings in the comments below. Until tomorrow, take care and keep embracing the cleansing and renewing energy of your pregnancy journey. Namaste.